Hey guys, welcome back to JSLovers YouTube channel. In the last video of CSS grids, we saw that how you can create grid, how you can define columns, rows, and the most important feature which we learned is how you can control the web layout by CSS only. In today's video, I am going to show you the other way to achieve the same layout without using template areas. So guys, this is the same example which we saw in last video. To start with it first I need to remove the grid template areas and the areas which we define. Before that guys, in the last video I got the feedback that my voice was messy and the background music was loud. Sorry guys, I'm still learning making these videos. I try to implement each and every feedback you guys are giving me. For this video, I'm going to remove all the background music and keep it very simple and straightforward. Awesome. Okay, so the first step would be I will be removing the grid areas which we defined to achieve the layout. Okay, so now as you can see, all the grid areas is removed. Now we have two rows and two columns, and the layout is not at all close to what we want to have. So now to achieve the layout, what we have to do? Guys, as I mentioned earlier, that CSS grids work on the table concept. In 2D way, you have rows and columns. When we used to do the development in tables, there was a very important concept which is known as spanning, where you can span two or more than two columns or rows together to merge them and give a very nice effect that you have a long column or long row. The same concept you can implement with the CSS grids too. And with using the span feature, we are going to achieve the same layout. And how we can do it is, for example, the header, this first block, I want it to be the 100% till the end of this. So what all I have to do is I have to say grid column and span 2. So what I did here is I want my two columns to be merged so that my header can take the 100% of the space. So I said that grid column should end by spanning the two columns. The same thing can be done for the footer too. And now you can see by using just one line you are able to achieve the same layout. Also, by using this same property you can move the elements in your area, and how we can do it is I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move footer from, instead my footer start from the left navigation, I want my footer to start just below my mid content. So what I have to do is uh, grid column start to. Okay, so guys, one more important thing here is, as we have defined our grid areas name, we have our grid lines also. So you can see these are our grid lines, these blank spaces. So what I'm saying is my 1 2, I want my grid my footer to start from the second grid line. So this is my second grid line and this is my first grid line. So this is how you can start moving your elements by using this grid column start and end property. Now I want my left nav to come till the bottom of this layout, till the footer. So what I need to do is, now I need to merge my two rows. So I will replace it with row span 2. And as you can see that we are able to achieve the same web layout through using these properties. So guys, two important things we learn here about the spanning, through which you can achieve, you can merge two or more than two columns rows together to get the 100% or longer sections. The second thing which we learned here is how you can move your elements by using the grid lines. Okay guys, this is for today's video. Do let me know your feedback, your suggestion. I'm going to share this pan link in the comment section, in the bottom section of this video. In the next video, we are going to explore more feature of CSS Grid. Do let me know if these videos are helpful for you. If there is any feedback, please let me know. Thank you guys.